Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and welcome back to another episode of the Best Android Setups tutorial. This is a series where I duplicate one of the setups from my Best Android Setups videos. Today we are going to be duplicating a setup called Lens, and this was from episode 13. That setup was fire. I just love that wallpaper and how everything came together. Now episode 14 is live as of now, so make sure you guys go and check it out. I'll have it linked down below in the description and on a card right up here. Vote for your favorite setup, and that's the setup that I'll be duplicating in the next tutorial video. Anyway, let's check out this setup called Lens. Okay, so we're gonna start things off with my Google Pixel 4 right here. It's got a clean slate, there's nothing on it. So we are going to navigate to YouTube, pull up my YouTube channel and go to the video that has the best Android setups that we're trying to duplicate. It's number 13. And if we pause that video and pull up the description, the setup that we're going to be duplicating is called Lens. So in this setup, you're going to need Nova Launcher. You are going to need the charcoal's flat icons. You're going to need KWGT and the Wolfie plugin for KWGT and also that wallpaper. Now, everything that I've just mentioned will be also in the description of this video, so you don't have to navigate to that video, but I'm going to go ahead and start downloading things. And as usual, I like to start with the wallpaper. So this will take you to the folder of all the wallpapers for the video setups, and you want to click on Lens, click download, and it's going to start downloading. And then you want to navigate back to the YouTube channel or the description of this video. I would like to download the charcoal icon pack. And if I click open in the Play Store, it'll take me to the Play Store. You can click install, go ahead and install it. You can go back to the video, and then you want to also get Wolfie for KWGT, open in the Play Store, and then you can go ahead and install Wolfie for KWGT. Now I already have Nova Launcher and I also have KWGT on my phone, so I don't have to go ahead and download it, but it's the same way. You just click on the link, open in the Play Store, and you can go ahead and download it. And then the last thing that I want to do is download the Nova Launcher backup. You want to click on it. It's going to open a Google Drive, and you want to look for the Lens backup. You want to click on it and say download, and then it's going to go ahead and start downloading it. And now you can swipe and go home. So now that everything is ready and downloaded, I like to actually start with the wallpaper. So I just long press the home screen, go to styles and wallpaper, my photos, and it's the one right there. If you don't have it, then you might want to check in here to go down to the downloads folder if it's something else like recent or images. But if you're in the downloads folder, it'll be the last one you have up there. I click on it, set as wallpaper. I like to set it for the home and the lock screen. So once I set up the wallpaper, then what I like to do is go into the app drawer and start Nova Launcher. And then Nova Launcher is going to ask you, do you want to start fresh or use any of these other backups? Now you probably won't have these because I do backups and customizations on this phone. That's why it's asking me for this. But you want to go to browse, and once you click browse, then you want to click on the Lens for Nova Launcher backup. Once again, if you don't see it, make sure that you click on the three little hamburger menu and that you are in the downloads folder. And then you can go ahead and it should be there. You click on it and then it says use selected. You click apply and it should go ahead and apply the home screen. And now once it loads it, sometimes it doesn't actually load up Nova Launcher. It goes back to the default home screen settings. So you can always go back into the app drawer and load Nova Launcher, and that right here is the launcher that we are using. Now what you want to do in order for it to always load up in Nova Launcher is you can press and hold, go into settings, scroll up and say select default launcher, and just make Nova Launcher the default launcher. So now anytime you swipe up or you swipe to go home, it's going to load Nova Launcher. The second thing that we want to do now is change the icon pack. So we want to press and hold, go into settings, go into look and feel, go into style, go into icon theme, and you want to select the charcoal flat icons that we downloaded. So I don't see them. So what I want to do is go back into here, go into the Play Store and make sure that these were actually downloaded. So I'm going to click on the charcoal and I will click on the charcoal flat icons, and they are actually there. They just were not called charcoal. So you look at that icon and that's what we're going to be looking for. So now if we go back to the home screen, we press and hold, go into settings, look and feel, icon style, icon, you can see that there is this black icon style. You want to click on it and then go back home, and now all the icons are changed to that. Now these 4 right here are not changed to that, and that's because those particular icons are not installed on this phone. But if you click on it, you can click search and it'll find the icon in the App Store. If it doesn't, then you can always long press, remove it, and replace it with another icon like the Google Play Store. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those other 3 with apps that I use so it doesn't look ugly on the home screen. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, so that's much better. We have icons that are all supported in this icon pack. And then the last thing that you want to do is the widget up here. So there's already an area framed out for the widget, and we remember it's the Wolfie plugin for KWGT number 105. So you can click on it. It's going to launch KWGT, and then you want to look for the Wolfie plugin. Now there's Wolfie right there, one, but that's not what we want to use. We load back up and you'll see it says Wolfie for KWGT. If you click on it, then it's going to show you everything in Wolfie. Now if you're here and you don't see that, then you want to just go to featured or export it and then go back to installed, and it will generate all the Wolfie plugins into one area rather than being scattered all over the place. So you want to click on Wolfie and you want to scroll until you get to 105, and we should be nearing right here. So this is 105. We click on it. You see the way it looks. Initially I like to click save, and then I will fix anything that has issues, for instance giving permissions to KWGT, and then I will click save again and then go home, and you'll see that it's right there. It's not exactly the way that the setup looked. It's a little bit small, but you can always click on it and go into layers and resize it, and then go into position by going to items and going to position and then shifting them to the right. I believe that looks good. We click save, swipe up, and you'll see that it's still not good. This play button should be a little bit back, and the writing is going over the lens. So this is where it comes with tweaking. And if you want to tweak this, you just click on the actual widget, and you want to go into the widget right here, and you can play with the layer, you can play with the position, and you can just actually go into each individual item and play around with it. Right now, what we want to do is just move it a little to the left and also make it a little bit smaller. So what we can do is go into the layers and make this smaller. 75% is too small, so maybe we make it about 90%, and then go into position and then shift it over to the left to 20, click save, go home. It looks good, but we still want to shift it a little more to the left. Once again, go into there, go into layers, position, and now instead of hitting the arrow, we just hit the little minus to go down by once. And then we click save, swipe up, and that looks pretty good. Maybe making it a tad bit smaller. And once again, go into there, go into the widget, go into layers. Instead of 90, maybe we make it 85%. Click save, go home. That looks pretty good to me. And that's the thing. I could literally sit here for hours and move this thing up and down and left and right, and it would just take forever. What's important is that you know how to do it, so you can always go back into it and click widget and tweak it around to the exact way that you like it. So that was the setup lens. That setup is amazing. Everything about it just came together, and that wallpaper, ridiculous. I'll have everything about that setup down below in the description, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and duplicate it for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.